Megha Engineering and Infrastructure Limited is engaged in discussion to undertake the assembly of two electric car models, namely the Atto 3 and the E6 in India. These electric vehicles are manufactured by BYD Auto Co Limited, a prominent Chinese automobile manufacturer with a strong focus on electric mobility. The question stands, how far is this aimed at? Hi everybody. The decision to assemble these vehicles in India rather than importing fully built cars reflects several strategic considerations. One of the primary motivations for assembling these electric cars in India is to take advantage of the lower import duty applied to completely knocked down kits compared to the fully built vehicles. Let's understand as to why import duties can have a substantial impact on the cost and competitiveness of imported vehicles. Here's an analysis of why companies opt for completely knocked down assembly to mitigate these duties. Number 1 is cost reduction. Import duties, often imposed by governments to protect domestic industries and generate revenue, can add a significant financial burden to imported vehicles. By importing vehicles in CKD kits, companies can reduce the duty amount as these kits are considered collection of parts rather than fully built vehicles. This reduction in import duty directly translates into cost saving for the company. Number 2 is competitive pricing. Lower production costs due to reduced import duties enable companies to competitively price their vehicles in the target market. This competitive pricing can make the imported vehicles more attractive to consumers compared to fully built imports subject to higher import duties, thereby increasing market share and sales. Number 3 is market penetration. Lower prices resulting from CKD assembly can enable companies to enter new markets or expand their presence in existing markets more easily. This is particularly crucial in markets where price sensitivity plays a significant role in consumers' purchasing decision. Number 4 is reduced transportation cost. Importing CKD kits, which are typically smarter and lighter than fully built vehicles, can lead to cost savings in transportation. The reduced volume and weight of CKD kits translate to lower shipping expenses, making it economically feasible to import components from the different regions. And number 5 is compliance with local regulations. In some regions, regulations or trade agreements may incentivize the assembly of vehicles from CKD kits in exchange for more favorable tax treatment. Companies opt for CKD assembly to ensure compliance with such regulations and benefits from the associated incentives. Hope you liked the video. Let's unlock together your full potential and achieve remarkable success in the world of business. If you are new to the channel, do like, share and subscribe for more such content related to business and finance. Till then, goodbye everyone.